Good morning, everybody. Tomorrow at 2 o'clock, we will be attending a special session with a group with Not Just Our School. And to prepare for this session, you need to open the link that I've opened here that I've sent to you on WhatsApp. You can see that it's part of the International Online Model UN. You are going to also see that it's for our time that I told you, December 8th at 2 p.m. There's a little introduction about the event. Tickets, it's already been paid for. You don't have to worry about anything. And you're going to go to register now. Once you go to register now, you are going to choose one of the countries that you will be representing at this particular session. So if it says sold out, then you can't take it. So if you see, for example, Afghanistan is sold out, you can't choose Afghanistan. But let's say Algeria, Albania, Argentina, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Belarus, these are all available. Bolivia, Cambodia, Cameroon, okay, all of the ones that don't say sold out. Now, once you choose one, okay, I'm going to choose Bahrain, just because I want to show you guys how to do this. You hit 1, okay? You'll see that the money doesn't change. You don't have to pay anything. You go down to the bottom, and you go to checkout. Once you go to checkout, it's going to ask for your name. I am going to put one of your names because I can't register, so I don't know who wants to be Bahrain. I am going to randomly assign it to Rom. Rom, I don't know your email. I'll have to find it, but that's what you do, okay? I'm not going to write everything in here in case you guys want to choose. You write your first name, your last name, your email, and the school you attend, and whether you're a teacher or a student. Obviously you're a student. And what type of credit do you want for Model UN? Just write elective credit or community service. And if there's anything that you want to tell the organizers before we begin, you should write it here and then hit continue. You're going to do this all the way through until it says you have successfully registered or something like that. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to it. This part might take you a lot longer than what I just showed you. You may have to do a little bit of research on the way. This must be done before Tuesday. Now, I know we don't have a class today and because of the electricity, but you'll find a way to do it, I'm sure. I expect everyone to do it. I'm putting the link in Google Classroom as a task. So please, everyone, do it by Tuesday morning. Looking forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.